All right, drink we're about to make is called Executive Sunrise. Put some ice in a glass and measure out 1 shot of a gold tequila. There we go. And follow that up with about 4 ounces of fresh orange juice. Make sure that we get our daily amount of vitamin C there. Okay, let's mix this up together. So this is basically a tequila sunrise, but we're going to change it up a little bit. Instead of adding grenadine at the end for that red sunrise, I've got a different ingredient to substitute. And that's coming up here. Set up your glass and pour it in. And we are going to add 2 teaspoons of cream de cassis here. And dump that in. And that should give us a nice sunset color. There it is. Add a straw. And bottoms up.